chili and sweet, a frosty surprise that's fun to eat. Jam, fruity and bright, spread a little for a tasty bite. Pie, dancing in air, floating with breezes everywhere. Lion, strong and bold, a golden story waiting to be told. Monkey, playful and quick, swinging on branches with a clever trick. Nested in, cozy and small, a safe little home for birds so small. Watching the moon, hooting a gentle nighttime tune. Panda, gentle and slow, chewing green bamboo in a row. Queen, smiling with grace, kindness shines upon her face. Rabbit, whir, hopping with cheer, bouncing through flowers far and near. Sun, shining above, filling the world with warmth and love. Tiger, stripes so grand, walking proudly across the land. Umbrella, open up wide, keeping us dry when raindrops glide. Then beep, rolling along, taking friends where they belong. Well, splashing with pride, diving through oceans deep and wide. Fun, ding, 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 making happy melodies to sing. Yo, yay, spinning around, up and down without a sound. Zebra, z, racing with fun, black and white stripes on the run. Sing the sounds from A to Z, learning together joyfully. Clap your hands and sing along, every letter makes us strong. Smile and dance, jump with glee, Phonics fun for you and me. A is apple, out flows a hearty fruits. B is ball, balls can bounce. C is cat, cats can purr. D is dog, dogs can run. E is elephant, elephants are big. F is fish, fish can swim. G is goat, goats can climb. H is horses can gallop. I is ice Zebras have stripes. Hop, 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 hop. A is for apple, apple, bright and red. B is for ball, beep, 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 bounce it overhead. C is for cat, C, curious and sweet. D is for dog, D, dancing on its feet. E is for elephant, big and kind today. F is for fish, F, splashing all the way. G is for giraffe, G, growing nice and tall. H is for house, H, happy home for all. I is for ice cream, yummy cold delight. J is for jellyfish, J, floating soft and light. K is for kite, K, flying in the sky. L is for lion, L, roaring loud and high. M is for monkey, and swinging through the trees. N is for nest, and birds sing in the breeze. O is for orange, juicy, round and sweet. P is for penguin, waddling on its feet. Q is for queen, Q, wearing a golden crown. R is for rabbit, R, hopping up and down. S is for sun, S, shining warm and bright. T is for turtle, T, walking with delight. Q is for umbrella, Q, walking and it rains. V is for whirling, V, playing happy strains. W is for whale, W, swimming in the sea. X is for zebra, X, music full of green. Y is for yak, Y, walking through the snow. Z is for zebra, Z, stripes wherever you go. Sing along! A to Z, come sing with me. Letter sounds as fun can be. Learn each sound, shout hooray. A, B, C, phonics every day. A is apple, apples are hearty fruits. B is ball, balls can Zebras have stripes. Hop, 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 hop. A is for airplane flying so high. B is for balloon touching the sky. C is for clouds floating so slow. D is for drone that starts to go. E is for eagle up in the air. F is for feather flying every year. G is for glide through open blue. H is for helicopter view. I is for island far below. J is for jet ready to go. K is for kite dancing in the wind. L is for landing where flights begin. M is for moon shining at night. Zebras have stripes.